Hey, welcome back to another video. So I've been doing these videos about replacing lights on my Lexus with LEDs, and I've pretty much replaced all the lights except for a couple. Thanks to a suggestion on one of my other videos, I'm going to show you how to replace the backup light with an LED. All right, I've got another set of lights here, LED. These should replace the backup lights. Hopefully they're not too big, we'll see. This particular light has a lens on the end, which is kind of cool. So it should make it extra bright. So let's check it out. Right there. Oh, they give you a little porthole. That's nice. So if you've watched my other videos, you know that every time I make a light bulb video, I end up burning myself. So the good news about these backup lights, let's see, which one is it? I think it's this one. And I think you turn and then pull. The good news about the backup lights is that they're not on. Let's see. That's a big light. All right, let's compare these lights here. I don't know why they're so much bigger. Because the problem is, once you put it in there, this second half could hit up against the lens, but looks like it'll work. So let's get this in. Remember, these only go a certain way. They don't go both ways. Oops. Well, that wasn't good for it. I hope it still works. This is what I get for doing things one-handed. All right. We'll get the shock test here. Okay, should go in and then twist back to the right. There we go. Twist to the left and pull. It's pretty simple. Let's see if it fits in there. Seems to. Just turn it back to the right. Put this back. Let's see. That's interesting how they just give you a little porthole thing. Except I think I might have put it back in wrong. Let's see. Yeah. Wouldn't you know, these cardboard pieces only go back a certain way. Looks like okay, after a little struggle, figured out that there's actually a trick to this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put these two tabs in first and then the one tab. So, two tabs and then the one tab. Just like that. Okay. Let's see if they work. You can see how much further these ones stick out. So, to do this test without turning the car on, you just hit the power button twice, or the what is it called? Ignition? What's that button? Start. Is that what it's called? Engine start. I don't know why
ignition, I mean, it's fine too.
they should have just named it engage. Okay, so hold your foot on the brake and put it in reverse. Oh, there we go. That's what we wanted to see. So this way you can, see it without turning the car on. Wow. Definitely very bright. I think it's good. All right. Look, all the other LED lights. It's so nice in here. Look how bright it is. Okay, now hit the disengage button. All right, we're done. Thank you for the test. Okay, that was a very short video. Very easy to do. I'm going to be doing a series of videos coming up since my Lexus just turned 120,000 miles. The spark plugs, I'm going to show 3 are easy. The other 3 are pretty difficult, and you'll see that. And then I've got some pulleys that I'll do that go with this belt, hopefully to quiet down the sound. And one person made a comment about how dirty my engine bay was, so I've got these special engine degreasing wipes. I'm going to see how easy I can get it clean. So before I do the repairs, I bought one of those code reader things. Once I get that, I'll do a quick video on running through that. I want to see if there's anything else that's wrong, because especially doing those spark plugs, if the coils are bad, I want to replace a bad coil. Once I have things torn apart, I might as well replace more components if they're bad. So I think it's a good idea to go ahead and get one of those code readers. So stay tuned.